Hello, it's me, Miss Wise. I wanted to read you a story called A New House and a New Friend, and then I wanted to talk to you about main idea and details since it is on our test this week. I'm sorry it's blurry, but I'll use my laser pointer and you can do your best to track along. A new house and a new friend. But I don't want to leave well, there goes my laser pointer. But I don't want to leave my friends, cried Maya. I know, sweetheart, but Dad has a new job in Texas and we have to move, said Mom. Maya ran into her bedroom. What would she do without her best friends, Katie and Sam? Going to a new school where she didn't know anyone was very scary. It was moving day. Maya hugged her friends again and again. I'll come back and visit Arizona, I promise, she told them. They got in the truck and drove off to the new house. On her first day at the new school, Maya knew she had to be brave. She smiled and said hello to everyone in her new class, even though she was scared. At recess, a girl walked up to Maya. Hi, my name is Becky. You're really nice. Want to play? Maya smiled and jumped up. Race you to the swing, she said. Maybe this new school wouldn't be so bad after all. Okay, boys and girls, so I told you that the main idea is usually the first sentence, but not always. In this case, that's not going to work for us. The first sentence says, but I don't want to leave my friends, cried Maya. Well, we know that that's not the main idea. That's part of it, but we're going to have to come up with the main idea on our own. Okay, so we're going to have to put the main idea into our own words. So let's talk about what's happened in the story. So Maya's family had to move to Texas. They had to move because her dad got a new job there. And she's also a little nervous about leaving her old friends behind. So let's try to put that together into a main idea and say Maya was nervous about her family moving to Texas. I'm going to abbreviate Texas there. Okay, so we came up with our main idea. Now we need to come up with 3 details. Remember, I told you that the details are any of the other sentences from the story that are not the main idea. So I think one of the important things in the story was Maya was nervous about leaving her friends. And I won't be able to fit all of that on here. In fact, I don't have a stylus, so my handwriting is pretty sketch. Okay, I think another key detail is that she had to start a new school. That can be really scary for those of us who have had to do that. And then finally, I think the most important happy detail is that she made a friend. She made a friend named Becky.